Hi everybody, it's Diana with stampingwithdie.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Dies Shorts. And it's definitely going to be a short one. It's raining for real now and pouring. Not like the fake rain I thought I had the other day when it was just the garbage truck coming in. When you're deaf, you hear things way different than a regular person. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. And I am so glad that you're here. So what I'm going to do with you today, I'm going to share with you some of the Christmas cards we've gotten so far. They're not all stamped. Most of them are, and it's not all Stampin' Up, but I'm still gonna share them with you. And I love getting Christmas cards. I remember years ago, I can't remember where. I want to say I got a present in this big cup. It's like a big metal cup, and it has "Believe" on there. I think I got a present in it. I don't think there was a plant in it, but I don't know. I've had it forever, and so every year I pull it out, and then that's where we put the Christmas cards as they come in, and then that just sits on the shelf, and then we just look through them. So I used to hang them up. I had a garland, I hung them up, and then I just gravitated to the cup. So that works out perfectly. That's what we're gonna do today, and I will, just so I don't forget, like at the end, sometimes I get all like forgetting things or whatever. So I will not be coming on Monday because Monday is Christmas. So Merry Christmas, everybody. If you, no matter what season you celebrate or what, well, I don't even know the right word for it, but you know what I mean, right? No matter what you celebrate, happy holidays and all that good stuff. So I won't be here Monday. Because I'll probably be in my pajamas all day and just taking it easy. But I will see you Tuesday for my Teach Me Tuesdays, and it will be number 203. So this week I said 203, and then when I got to getting ready to upload, I looked. I'm like, oh, I totally forgot to fix my calendar because it would have been 203. But remember, the week before I had a migraine. So it was actually 202, but so Tuesday will be number 203. So anyway, so I'm gonna stop blabbering. You can tell it's cold. I have my sweater on for now. It probably won't be on all day because I get hot easy. But so that's all I want to blab about right at the beginning. So close your eyes for a second while I adjust my camera. That looks pretty good. All right, so here's this cute little cup. So you can see it's a fairly good size, and like I said, I've had it forever. I mean, the paint's coming off it. It's a little worse for wear, but I love it. All right, so let's see here. So these are the cards that I've gotten. Like I said, some are stamped, some are not. They're not all Stampin' Up, but I'm going to share them anyway because I just love them so much. All right. Okay, so hopefully you got a bunch of Christmas cards too. And if you have sent one, I might not have it already. So just keep in mind that the mail is a little slow. We still have to go pick it up at the post office. Can you believe that? It's been over a month now. All right. So here is one. This is from Shannon. So look how cute. Now I won't open them up unless they have a fancy fold because there's private messages in there. But I love this with the gold foil. She's even got some of the red bling on there. It's even embossed with the snowflakes falling. So I love that one. This one is from one of my downline friends, April. I love this. Look at that Christmas tree and the bells. She's even got some pretty ribbon on there. And these are those, whatchamacallits, I believe. Is that from here? Let me see. Was this from here? Oh no, these were the standalone ones. So pretty there. And she's got the music going, so I love that. This one is from Marcy, my sweet friend from Canada, and it is a fancy fold. So I love that. And then you have your little note, and then it just goes inside. So I love that. So I might have to repeat that fold. So I love that with the tree. So thank you so much. So Marcy's in Canada. So if you are a Canadian demonstrator, you can also find her channel. It's featured on my YouTube channel, so you can find her. So we went to school together. Can you believe it? I actually went to public school with her husband, and then I met Marcy in high school when our schools combined. All right, so this is from Donna. I love how simple and beautiful this is. Look at that gorgeous speckledy paper, the cute little wish. And then she just simply die cut out a star. She put some gold paper back there so it sparkles, and then that little bow. Isn't that just beautiful? And this just goes, you don't have to go cuckoo crazy, but I love how that gold, and I'm not a gold person, but I love how that catches the light. So thank you so much. I love all my cards. This is this is from my upline Lori, and she uses one of the Memories and More cards and envelopes. So this is perfect. This is great because it gives you so much. There's so much. Oh my gosh! I swear, I need to go make appointment for my words. There's so much going on, but it is simply just a card. So it's so cute. But I love that little singing reindeer. All right. This one is from Rhonda. So you'll see she might even be watching the live. So her and her husband live out here, not far by me. And I love when she comes over and visits, her and her husband. And we keep talking about the guys maybe going fishing together. But I love that with the bells. Love, love. And I love the, looks like a cookie. So I love all that. She's even embossed back there. So thank you. Thank you, everybody. All right. This one is from Sandy. She is a customer, and she lives out here too. We run into her once in a while out and about. So I love that. She's got that foil, those foil trees. This one is from Gloria. She is a friend and one of my new downlines. So thank you, Gloria. I love this. She uses one of those gold papers. Now, this... these cards are carrying over, which is super cool. And then I love how she die cut out Joseph and Mary with the donkey with that, it's like a brushed kind of, so that looks super cool. Almost looks like a stone. This one is from Jean, one of my downline. I love how she did this. So this is that awesome tag set, and these are beautiful on cards. I made up a whole other set, and I just kind of set them by the wrapping paper, and then so then we know where to grab our cards. And so Eric came in the other day. He's like, I need 5 tags. So he got his tags. So I love that. This one is so cute. So this is another one of my downline, Mike and Becky Ackerman. I'm like reading the back. All right, I want to get my folds right because it's a fancy fold. So this is, look how cute. So this is like a really fancy fold. I know it has a name, and I've done it before, but I'm not sure the name of it. But I love how that looks. So it's similar to a diorama. So you can see through, but look at that cute little raccoon. So I love that. This is from Judy. Love it. She's another one of my downline. I love that. The fun little bears. She even did some embossing, and she even put some bling. Sometimes the bling doesn't make it in the mail, and sometimes it does. All right, so this is Gabrielle, and she's another one of my downlines. So look how pretty this is. And I've got some of Debbie's glitter in there. Look how beautiful. I love this wood back here. And she did the piece. So I love that. Now this one is not stamped, but it's adorable. So who's this from? This is from our friends in Illinois, Gary and Donna. And Jeff went to school with their boys, and they're really good friends with Jeff's mom and dad. But I just love it. I know it's not stamped, but I still love it just the same. I might even frame it because it's just adorable with the tractor. All right. So this one is from Pat. Now she ordered one of my, she actually ordered 2 of my adhesive packets, and she put this beautiful card in there with that because she sent a check. So isn't that so beautiful? So she did that embossing on the silver foil. She's got the trees there, and it opens like this. So the cabin opens up, and then this repeats. So you can see the trees are in there too. So isn't that really, really smart? So super fun. This is from my mom. So this one was for Eric. So it's like a reindeer. So my sister and my mom, they go to scrapbook events and things like that together and work on cards at the same time. So this is one that Mom sent Eric. So it's super cute. And this is another one for Mom. So this is one for Jeff and I. So Jackie gets a lot of the pieces ready, and then Mom puts them together and all that. But this one, I can't remember what Jackie used. She used something to make this look like rust. And it does. It totally looks like a metal rust. So I love that. I have some sort of stuff. I'll have to look and see if I have this stuff. It came in a tube. This is from Nina. She's in my downline as well. So look how fun that is. This is one of the kits that I had fun with. That gives you the cactus. I love she sent me the cactus one since we're in Arizona. So super cute with a little bit of bling and the little frosty foil on the cactus as well. I love that. This one is from Aunt Susie and Uncle Tom. And this one is definitely getting framed. So I actually, I just stuck it in my tin right now, but I have set this off to the side so it doesn't get messed. Because I know it's not a his step car, but I love it just the same because it's got that embossing in there. I love the red pickup truck with the tree and the house and the snowman. It is just beautiful. So it is totally getting framed. I love that. All right. And then the last card, last but not least, is that what you say? This is for my downline Debbie. Now this is what I meant when I said glitter was on something. So Debbie is the only card that I open, and this sounds bad, but really if you knew Debbie, if you knew her cards, you would get it, you would understand, you would laugh just as much as me. Debbie is the only Christmas card I open up over the garbage pail. That sounds horrible, doesn't it? It's like, what? Because she fills her card, and you can see them, with glitter and confetti and you name it. It is like chocked full. So you look at all these little things here. These are all loose. They're just statically sticking to the card. And so they don't all stick to the card. So I always open up her card when over the garbage pail so that it doesn't go all over the floor. But look at this card. Is that not beautiful? And you go like this with it. So you open it up. It hooks behind the greeting. And now you can see there's like the little Charlie Brown tree and the little dog. They've got a couple dogs, so they've got both the pups there. But look how cute it is when you look at it this way. It's so beautiful. All her cards every year are just crazy, crazy, amazing. But so anyways, isn't that something? So I can't frame that one, can I? All right, so let me say, see you later, alligators. That wasn't too long. That was a nice die shorts. So so I hope you enjoyed my cards. Jeff is off to the post office later today because I have a package from Stampin' Up there. And I ran into the mailman the other day, and he's like, he goes, they are throwing mail all day long. And I'm like, I hope you don't really mean throwing. So, you know, you could probably go several times a day, and maybe you get some in the morning and you get some in the afternoon, you know. So anyways, we had gone to the post office the other day and picked up our mail. And then when I got home, about a half hour later, it was like, you know, we had a package at the mail, but we were just there. But they delivered it, like, or they sorted it or whatever, I should say, after we had left. So when Jeff went and picked up the next day, the lady's like, hi, Mr. Gibbs, because she knows him by name now. And she's like, they brought that right after you left yesterday. So anyways, but all right, so I'm going to stop blabbing. Have a very Merry Christmas. I will see you Tuesday, 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same time, same channel. I hope you get lots of presents under the tree. We will be making our smoked turkey enchiladas. We have done that the last couple of years. Jeff smokes a turkey at Thanksgiving, and then we freeze the breasts, and then he pulls one out at Christmas time. And we make, because usually it's chicken enchiladas, but one time we're like, well, let's try the smoked turkey, and it was so amazing because you can taste that smokiness and stuff. So we're gonna make that, you know, for Christmas like normal. So that being said, I need to go pull that breast out because I don't think I saw it in the fridge, so it needs to get defrosted. All right, so hopefully wherever you are, it's not too wet and rainy. It's supposed to rain for a couple days here. It's a mess out there. So let me tell you, Winston does not like the wet. So I take him around with his leash and we try to find a dry spot. And I kept going, you want to pee on the tire? Because the car by the dirt. And so we finally found this little bitty dry spot where the carport comes over. I'm like, look, there's a little bit of dry dirt. So he went there, but oh my gosh, Toby was the same way. Okay, so I am going to stop blabbing, or like I said, I would gab with you all day long. So have a great weekend. Have a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you Tuesday. All right. Bye for now.